Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What does the Quran say about tolerance? Answer. The Holy Quran says that tolerance is a great virtue. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. Question 2. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a man of extraordinary endurance. Explain. Answer. The life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a superb example of endurance. He was a perfect example of forgiveness and endurance. He bore hardships at the hands of his enemies. He was mistreated and expelled from his hometown, but he remained calm. He showed tolerance in the face of every unpleasant situation. Question 3. How did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treat the people of Makkah after victory? Answer. After the conquest of Makkah, the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered his followers to remain tolerant. He granted general amnesty to the entire population of Makkah, including his worst enemies. No house was robbed, no man or woman was insulted. Question 4. Why was Rabbi asking for the repayment days before the loan was due? Answer. Rabbi was asking for the repayment days before the loan was due because he wanted to test the tolerance of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Question 5. What does the tolerance of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teach us? Answer. Tolerance of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teaches us that we should treat everybody with kindness and sympathy. We should treat even the non-Muslims with kindness in spite of their misbehavior or harsh treatment. Question 6. What was the effect of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kindness on the Rabbi? Answer. Seeing the kindness and great tolerance of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Rabbi immediately gave up his religion and embraced Islam. Question 7. What is the main idea of the lesson? Answer. The main idea of the lesson is that Islam teaches us patience, tolerance, humanity and good behavior. The life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best example of tolerance, forgiveness and compassion. We should follow the teachings of our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.